Imagine waking up exactly 30 days from now with an extra $1,000 or even $5,000 sitting in your bank account and knowing you called it in with your thoughts, words, and focused actions. No lottery tickets, no gimmicks, no confusing techniques, just simple, proven steps that anyone can follow. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a crystal clear, 5-step process to manifest money in 30 days. Ready? Let's go. Welcome back to Vibe and Manifest, your go-to channel for mastering the laws of the universe and creating the life you truly desire. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a video. We post every Tuesday and Friday, packed with actionable tools to help you raise your vibration and manifest abundance. Today's video is one of our most requested, how to manifest money in 30 days, step by step. Stick around because by the end you'll have a complete blueprint to follow starting today. Step 1. Clarify your money goal. Why clarity is king? Before you can attract anything, money included, you need a crystal clear target. Vague intentions like, I want more money or I want abundance are too fuzzy for the universe to act on. Think of your mind like a GPS. If you don't set an exact destination, you'll never know when you arrive. Crafting your I am statement. Here's the first step. Write a precise I am statement that includes an exact dollar amount and a deadline. For example, I am receiving $3,000 by April 30th, 2025. I am being paid $1,500 in extra income by May 15th, 2025. This small tweak makes your goal tangible. You're speaking to the universe in a language it understands. Clarity. Visualization drill. Once you've written your statement, close your eyes for just 30 seconds and see those numbers in your bank app. Hear the notification sound of a deposit. Feel your relief and excitement. This quick visualization primes your subconscious to notice opportunities aligned with that exact figure. Step 2. Establish a daily abundance ritual. The power of ritual. Rituals are signals to your brain and the universe that you're serious. They anchor your energy in a positive state every single day. Morning gratitude and affirmation. As soon as you wake up, before checking your phone, grab a journal or sticky note. Write 3 specific reasons your money goal is already complete. For example, 1. I am grateful that I received $3,000 this month. 2. I am thankful for the creative ideas flowing to me. 3. I appreciate the support of people around me. Then say your I am money statement out loud 3 times with feeling. Hearing it reinforces belief. Energy boosts movement. After gratitude and affirmations, move your body for just 2 minutes. Stretch, bounce, or dance to your favorite upbeat song. Movement circulates energy in your body and raises your vibration, so you're in an abundant state before the day even begins. Step 3. Visualize with emotion daily. Why emotion matters. Visualization alone isn't enough. You must feel as if your goal is already real. Emotions are the fuel that intensify your energetic signal. Quick visualization practice. Find a quiet spot. This can be your desk, car, or even the bathroom stall. Close your eyes for 2 full minutes. 1. See the exact dollar amount in your bank account. 2. Picture what you'll do with that money. Pay bills, book a trip, treat loved ones. 3. Feel the gratitude, relief, and joy pulsing through you. Do this right before lunch or in the evening. Consistency is key. 60 seconds a day multiplied by 30 days compounds massively. Step 4. Take inspired action. Inspired versus forced action. Manifestation isn't about wishful thinking. It's about aligning your energy and then following intuitive nudges to act. Notice what ideas pop up. Those are cues from the universe. Identify 1 to 2 daily tasks. Each morning, ask yourself, what's one inspired action I can take today to move me closer to $3,000? Maybe it's sending that pitch email, posting a high-value reel or TikTok for your freelance profile, applying to 1 additional gig or opportunity. Celebrate small wins. Every time you act, even if it doesn't pay immediately, celebrate. Treat yourself. Breathe deeply, smile, or do a quick happy dance. Recognizing these steps keeps your vibration high and your momentum strong. Step 5. Maintain a high vibration throughout the day. Micro habits to keep you aligned. 1. Music and podcasts. Play uplifting, instrumental music or motivational podcasts as background. 2. Gratitude breaks. Set a reminder every 4 hours. Pause, breathe, and list one thing you appreciate. 3. Positive associations. Surround yourself with quotes, vision boards, or affirmations on your screens. Nightly reflection. Before bed, journal for 5 minutes. What went well today? What signs of progress did you notice? How did you feel when you visualized your goal? And with 3 more I am statements, reinforcing your money goal as if it's done. This ensures you go to sleep with high vibration and wake up ready to continue. You now have a complete 5-step blueprint to manifest money in the next 30 days. To recap, 1. Clarify your goal with a precise I am statement. 2. Anchor a daily abundance ritual each morning. 3. Visualize with real emotion for 2 minutes. 4. Take inspired action every single day. 5. Maintain your vibration with micro habits and nightly reflection. If you commit to this daily practice for just 30 days, you'll notice real shifts, new ideas, unexpected opportunities, and yes, money flowing in. I can't wait to hear your success stories. Drop a comment below with your I am money statement and your first inspired action for tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss next week's deep dive into advanced manifestation techniques. Share this with a friend who needs to know these steps. Until next time, keep your energy high and your focus clear. You've got this.